Can I start? Evening, everybody. We are Team Quadrumvirate, as it seems like people can't say our name. So, short meaning, it's a team of 4 awesome warriors. So I'm going to hand it to Thabang to explain the solution and the problem. Thank you.
Oh, hi. While we're waiting for the slides, I just want to quickly share you how we think about like the police system like in South Africa. The system we're solving is currently South African, but it can be applied everywhere. So without any modification in the code and whatsoever. So currently in the police system, we're faced with multiple issues. Sometimes, I believe like most of us went to a police station and actually lodged a case, but somehow the docket got missing or somehow. So you wanna address that problem. And also number 2, we are aware that there are similar softwares like us, of which the one that we have developed, we believe that it's actually solving a much greater like solution to the public. For example, in the police system, like top authorities, they can ask hackers, or they can ask, or they can bribe developers to actually modify data or delete certain records in that. But with our solution, we're gonna show you how top authorities or whoever in the country or in the world cannot actually modify any data that goes through to the system. So we're keeping constant updates with sending SMSs. So whenever anything happens on the case, we actually update the user. And case assignment, that actually means that cases that have been taken into account to the system, they actually, we use algorithm to assign a case to a specific officer. So you don't just like select a case that you like, because like, you know, like family interest and things like that can actually manipulate the entire process of the case. And also reporting. So this is actually part whereby the police department gets to benefit from the reporting. We get to report about how many cases actually involve female, male, how many cases get solved, how many are pending and not being attended, and things like that. And also security. We actually, this is the base solution for our thing. We actually store data in using blockchain architecture, whereby you cannot go back and actually modify data or delete anything without unnoticed. So you can, every time you want to delete data, it has to rehash the entire block. So it creates transparency and data integrity. So we're going to take you to the app.
Hi everyone. Just any volunteer with their phone number? I'm not gonna spare me. Okay.
Just use mine. 083
083 222 1410. Cool. So now this is like Imran, like the victim in this situation. So now the police department will actually capture your details, and then from that point you actually receive the SMS as you just did now.
Yep.
Okay.
You want me to read it out?
If you want.